Okay, y'all. Happy Thanksgiving. It is a girl, Juliana, aka Life of Juliana, aka How to Cook channel. Back with another video. Happy Thanksgiving to each and every one of y'all. I just wanted to show you the things that I prepared today for Thanksgiving with my fam. Um, I did do a little small vegan something because I'm the only one here. Oh, this is kind of foggy. Make me do this again. What's up, goodies? Welcome back to your girl channel and to my kitchen, how to cook. But unfortunately, I'm not cooking. Well, I was cooking a whole damn lot. But anyway, happy Thanksgiving. I just wanted to come on here and say happy Thanksgiving to each and every one. I hope everyone is doing safe. I hope everyone is doing blessed. May God bless the food that y'all prepared. And may God prepare for all the ones that don't have a meal today, alright? But happy Thanksgiving, y'all. I just had to show y'all what my Thanksgiving not over this. So I just had to show y'all what my Thanksgiving feast looks like. So here we go, here we go, here we go. Alright, so over here we got our rice and peas. Got some brown stew chicken. We got some candied yam here with marshmallows. And then over there, turn on some lights on it, can't see. So I have some steamed veggies right there. I have some chicken and broccoli here. Don't think I have a chicken and broccoli recipe on the channel. So if you want to see more showing how I cook this, please let me know, alright? I'll be more than happy to do this one for y'all. But this is, yeah, this is so good. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Yummy, yum, yum, yum. Alright, and then over here we have some curry chicken. Then here we have some jerk chicken as well. Have some gravy also for the turkey and for the chicken, yeah. And then of course we have the macaroni and cheese on deck, homemade from scratch, honey. And we have some potato salad here. All right, that's daughter. You want to say happy Thanksgiving to the people, eh? Happy Thanksgiving. And then of course, y'all, this is the main event of the day. We got our ham on deck here, and then we have the turkey on deck here, and that is the view of the table. All right, so that is my Thanksgiving feast, y'all. The video, don't worry, I got it. I did do a little semi video to show you how I in fact did the turkey, y'all. I don't be cooking my turkey way at hand. I cook my turkey the day of Thanksgiving because I don't want to do it twice. I didn't show you how I made this ham though because I do have like 3 different ham recipe, but y'all, that is also good. So that is it. For myself, I did make a little small veggie salad, and then I also made some vegan curry goat. And so that is it, y'all. Hope y'all like that thus far. So that is it, my lovelies. Just want to say happy Thanksgiving again to each and every one. Yeah, love you guys. Be safe out there. Don't drink and drive, all right? Go out good. I'm all soon on my next one. Bye. Okay, goodies. As a friendly reminder, I just wanted to share with you again and let you guys know that I did do the recipe on how to do the turkey. So look out for that one day. It is coming. And also I did do the mac and cheese recipe. Now if you want me to do this one right here, as I stated before, just let me know if you want me to do it, and I'll definitely show you how I made the chicken and broccoli recipe. All right, as usual, share this good love with all your friends and family. Tell them what's going on over here, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.